What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a video showing you a really beautiful location. I mean, I come here once a week where I go hiking, but yeah, like, so I am obviously familiar with this place. I hike here a lot. But man, this place is just beautiful. Look at that open field. Some bushes down there. Yeah, really nice. I do have to be on my way though, but yeah. It would have just been much better if it was raining right now, because I'm dying. It's really brutally hot outside, but yeah, I'm mostly doing pretty good. I don't know. Tomorrow I'll go swimming, do my workout, and yeah. Friday, a little bit of job hunting I have to do. Go to a plaza. Well, that's okay. It shouldn't take that long. Probably won't take long at all even. Yeah, just trying to enjoy this beautiful hike over here. Really awesome place. Just the sun, like, I don't get it. It's late September, but it's plus 30 degrees Celsius. It's pretty hot. Yellow leaves already. Fall. I love autumn. But yeah, very nice.